Hi, I'm Jenny Davis, Head of Marketing here at Forest Garden. I'd like to share with you our exceptional range of Timberdale Tongue and Groove sheds. Timberdale is our premier shed, expertly designed and hand-built here in Worcestershire. I'm going to show you the 8x10 model, which has double doors and a lean-to that you can use as a log store or storage. But we do have lots of different sizes in the Timberdale range, from 7x5 to 8x12 in both pent and apex styles. They have a 25-year anti-rot guarantee that comes as standard, which is the longest guarantee that you'll find on the market. That guarantee gives you complete maintenance freedom. Preservative treatment is never needed. Most other sheds need treating once built and then yearly thereafter. Timberdale sheds have premium modular construction, which means you can put the windows and doors to suit your garden's needs. Modular panels add more timber, with the framing around each panel increasing overall shed strength. With strong and lasting construction, these sheds have 30% more timber than conventional sheds. What's more, the panels are smaller, which makes them easier to transport, and it's much easier to build. The windows are also fully opening. These opening windows are premium 4mm toughened safety glass. Timberdale sheds have a traditional rim lock door latch for added safety and security. The sturdy doors are braced with double Z framing for added strength and security. Timberdale sheds have premium quality, robust and stable tongue and groove boarded floors with supporting pressure treated floor bearers. This is the 12mm tongue and groove boarded roof with substantial roof battens. This is polypropylene backed mineral high grade felt. At Forest, we really love sheds. We have been in the market for over 50 years and have made over 2 million sheds, so we know what we're doing. Thanks for watching. For more information about Timberdale Tongue and Groove sheds, visit www.forestgarden.co.uk/Timberdale.